Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRVN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one moving forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So crazy movement today, and really the way to make this chart very cut and dry going into next week is, in my opinion at least, it's all about this level right here at the $1.65 mark. Why is the $1.65 so important? Why is it so a revealing of an area? And I'm not saying at all that this is what's going to happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to that level and then continue on down, what would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you would quite literally have the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out of today. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that, right? I mean, or said another way, that would imply that the price made a beautiful move to the upside to then go right back to where it was. And that's just not a sign of power any way you look at it. But again, I'm not saying that's what's going to actually happen, but that is why that level I would definitely consider, very important going forward, because it's very revealing in the sense of, is the price actually making progress or is it not? Meaning, as the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, and then starts its, works its way back upwards. Well, at this point in time, you would have progress, right? You'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows. You envision those as stair steps. And hey, there you go. You have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. Now, on the flip side of things, if the price just decides it wants to start to work its way back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, key level to watch going into next week going to be right up there at the $1.90 mark. So keep an eye on that for right now going forward. But as of right now, I would say $1.65 is more so the pressing concern. So let's see if the price can stay above it and start to show some signs of progress or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.